Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Today we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: how to flatten your belly. Whether you want to fit into that favorite pair of jeans or simply feel more confident, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to remember that spot reduction is not possible. To flatten your belly, you need to focus on overall weight loss and toning exercises. It's a combination of healthy eating, cardio workouts, and targeted exercises for your core. Now let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is all about cleaning up your diet. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen. Here are some tips to help you on your journey. Cut down on processed foods and refined sugars. Instead, opt for whole, natural foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Incorporate more fiber-rich foods into your diet. These include fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and aids in digestion. Be mindful of portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively. Practice portion control and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, a healthy diet is a sustainable one. Make sure to allow yourself the occasional treat and enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. Step 2 is all about cardio exercises. Engaging in regular cardio workouts helps burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Here are some exercises you can try. Brisk walking or jogging. Start with a 20 to 30 minute walk or jog at a comfortable pace. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as you build up your stamina. High-intensity interval training alternates between periods of high-intensity exercises like jumping jacks or burpees and short rest periods. This boosts your metabolism and burns more calories in less time. Cycling or swimming. These are low-impact cardio exercises that are gentle on your joints while still providing an effective workout. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio exercises per week or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercises. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Step 3 focuses on targeted core exercises to strengthen and tone your abdominal muscles. Here are a few exercises to get you started. Planks. Start in a push-up position, resting on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and hold the position for 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat for multiple sets. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your knees and perform a bicycle pedal motion while bringing your opposite elbow to touch your knee. Repeat for multiple sets.